I just got back from camping, so I'm at my normal duty station. I'm in my garage, and I had some packages waiting for me, plus a Pampered Chef package. My husband wanted a brownie pan with a cover, so I got him one of those as well. And I also got their teriyaki honey sauce. If you have not had it, oh my gosh, you have to get their teriyaki honey sauce and put it on top of your ribs. Oh, so good. Okay, so first we're going to do, this is from O'Brien Custom Turning. This is part of a package I got from the Randal Spangler event. Beautiful. Little Post-it notes. These will come in handy. They will. Hand sanitizer. I love this because all you got to do is spray it and you're good. And it's got a very secure top. I like this. Thank you guys over at O'Brien. And you get some candies, some mints. Ooh, a business card to go over there at my other business cards. Well, let me let you see all the good stuff. Okay, now a thank you. And the pen. Look at this pen. All right, well, you can't see it. Look at that pen. Isn't that pretty? Can you see that it's clear? Let me bring you a little closer. Let's see. There we go. See, it's like clear in some spots. That is so pretty. So pretty. And I believe this is a 5 or 6 placer. Love it. And a nice little bag. A straightener. Isn't that something? I like the straightener. I will definitely be using it. I'm going to have to put some washi tape in there to get it to stay. But that's okay. I can do that. And I believe it'll fit in my Diamond Art Club pen. I will have to try it out. But I love this bag for my nice tips. Nice touch. Nice touch. And the pen, it's nice. It's nice to hold. And it's got dragon scales. Do you see that? Whoops, there. Do you see it? It's got some dragon scales. Really pretty. Really pretty. Nice addition to my collection. Okay. Let me put all this other stuff back. Post-its I'm going to keep right there because I will use them. Next is Creations Moran. What did I get? Bubble wrap. Ooh, a stand. It's actually purple. On the camera, it looks very blue. Okay. Scratch to win. I wonder what it's going to be. Neat sticker. Another sticker. Their business card with their social. And I ordered an organizer. And it spins. I love it because then I can put my pens in there. I can put my X-Acto knife in there. I like it. A marker, because I do use this sometimes. I'm usually looking for a pen. There's another pen. So yeah, I have more pens, diamond pens that I can put in there. Nice. Oh, I can also do something like that. Yeah. Or like that. No, it's going to be better on this one. Keep my washi tape up here. Or like that. Oh, I like it. It's going to live. It's going to live right up here at the top. So I can put my supplies in it and get to it and pick the right pen out. Kind of like a golf bag with golf tees. But I can put my pens in there. Oh, I'm excited to try it out. Well, let's see what this is about. You know what? I can use my little straightener. Let's see how this goes. Because I don't have a coin. Hopefully I'll win. Oh. Can you see that? Better luck next time. Phooey. All right, now let me clean that off. And put that back in my little bag. And I can probably keep the tips. Yeah, put some tips in there and keep it right in there. Nice. Perfect. I like my goodies. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Like my stickers. I do. I love the diamond one. Well, that's what I have for you today. Camping was fun. We are back and I am home. Yay! Normal scenery. So, yeah, I did get a few troublemakers on my live, but we had to, I had to install some mods real quick to help me out. So I haven't had that happen before, but it's happened 2 days in a row. So I think it's my name, Pampered with Diamonds, that attracts some of those people when they see me go live. I don't deal in real diamonds. I don't do drugs. I don't grow pot. My hair is real. And yes, I am 29. That should answer all your questions out there. So you don't have to pop on my live and ask me those questions over and over and over again. Thank you. Thank you everyone who are subscribed to my channel, who likes and comments. I hope everyone is having a good time with the birthdays event. I'm almost done with my party time canvas. Yeah, I underestimated the amount of time it's going to take me to do that. But I'm going to start on another canvas right after that one. Yeah, and I also have my March section to do with my Randal Spangler canvas, counting with the Draglings. I've got box number 3 to do. And I also have March on the calendar to do. What else do I have to finish? Oh, my Meadow Wanderer canvas by Fallon Gems is coming out really nice. So I've got to work on that one a little bit this week. So I should, and then I'm going to kit up my threads of the universe. They are in the freezer right now. Hopefully de-staticking all those drills. We will see if it works. Thank you. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Remember, always be kind to everyone you meet.